Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a Bobcat UV34, and we need to put a 3-wire GPS in this device. So what we've done real quick is there's a panel that's on top, and as you can see, it has trim style fasteners in there. You have to get underneath the fastener, pop it out. We've already popped these out. We go underneath, and what we've done is we've taken the ring out and pulled the whole key switch out at the back of the key switch. Pretty simple. Let's see if we can get in on that. Zoom in closer. Red and white is going to be your constant 12. There's two oranges. There's orange black and a fatter orange. I think this one says what? There's a code on it, K01. Anyhow, we've metered it out already, and that is a switched ignition source. We're going to self-tap a ground inside of here. There's plenty of metal to go to. We're also going to put the box in here as well. It'll work really good. Very difficult to get to, not easy for your average bad guy or worker to just kind of pull it out. So anyhow, that's the Kubota. That's how we're going to do it. And again, pop the cluster out, right? Two body fasteners, pop the cluster. There's a ring nut that goes around the front of the key switch. Go ahead and pull the key switch out. This is what you get. Again, red and white for constant. Thick orange for 12. There is an orange and black in there. Do not get the orange and black. You want the orange for a switched ignition. And as always, use a multimeter to make sure that your readings are correct. There you go, friends. Enjoy. Kubota UV34. And there's a data plate somewhere in here. I haven't seen it. Just have to look for it. See ya.